If you're someone that wakes up in the morning feeling a little overwhelmed because you don't have a clear life path yet, you're not a millionaire yet, you just don't know what you're doing, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 best tips that will help you become the most confident version of yourself. Make sure you stick to the end of the video because I will be sharing a 6th bonus tip that will help you actually stick to these routines, these tips, better than anything else. My name is John Dieterich. I am an entrepreneur, a business owner, and I'm a certified personal trainer by the National Academy of Sports Medicine. These are my 5 tips that help me stay ahead in life. The first and arguably most important tip at helping you become a more productive person is creating and sticking to a sleep routine. I use the Hatch Restore 2. It's a little bit pricey, but totally worth it if you want to benefit and maximize the benefits of your sleep routine. I'll post a separate video reviewing the Hatch Restore 2 if that's something you'd like to see. I'll also include a link in the description to the Hatch Restore 2 if it's something you'd like to purchase. Tip number 2 is to work out first thing in the morning and to get sunlight in your eyes early. This has been scientifically proven to improve your overall quality of life. Interesting fact, strenuous exercise in the morning and early sunlight in your eyes has been proven to increase your cortisol levels to a healthy number, which will naturally tap into your circadian rhythm, causing you to fall asleep 14 to 16 hours later. So if you go to bed at 11 p.m., you wake up at 7 a.m. and you work out at 7:30, your body will naturally begin to fall asleep between 9 and 11 p.m. that night. Okay, this 3rd tip will probably help you increase your confidence more than any other tip, and that is positive affirmations. You've heard it before, positive self-talk, positive affirmations. It works. I write down 5 things in a little notebook every single day about myself that are positive. All 3 of these athletes, greatest in their relative sports, use positive self-talk. Michael Jordan, he always told himself he could make shots that nobody else can make. This is what made him the greatest player in the world. Muhammad Ali, he proclaimed he was the greatest boxer before he actually was the greatest boxer. Tiger Woods would always envision his shots going exactly where he wanted them to go before he even set up to the ball. This is what allowed him to become the greatest golfer in history. How you perceive yourself and how you talk to yourself is how others will eventually perceive you. Do not limit yourself. Believe that you can become something great and your actions will be in accordance with those beliefs. It's basically where the phrase "fake it till you make it" comes from. Okay, before I share the 4th tip, I'm curious and I want to hear from you guys. What are your favorite productivity tips? What has helped you become a more confident, a better version of yourself? Let me know in the comments. Okay, number 4, this one is simple, but we tend to overcomplicate it. It is planning your day out. So for me, all I do is list the top 5 things that I need to get done that day. An example would be I need to do my econ homework. I need to pay rent, edit video content, clean my bedroom, and 5th, turn my phone off after 9 p.m. This 5th tip ties into what I just talked about, and that is turning your phone off. We use our phones way too much. In fact, the average American uses their phone for over 5 hours a day. That's almost 40 hours in a week. Imagine what you could do with 40 extra hours every single week of your life. I personally, I lose track of time when I'm scrolling on Instagram, YouTube, or any other app. So what I've done is I set limits for different apps on my phone. Once I hit that app limit, I can no longer use that app. And once I hit the limit on all the apps that tend to waste my time, I can then only use my phone for communication, work, or schooling. Okay, if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It helps me a ton, and it tells YouTube to offer you similar content. Now, this bonus tip will probably help you stick to this routine and these other tips better than anything else. We often create these different limitations on ourselves, these different rules that we have to follow, but we never reward ourselves. Therefore, we never stick to those rules. So this bonus tip is to reward yourself. If you do something that you set a goal to do, whether it's a simple task or a long-term goal, you have got to reward yourself. Otherwise, you will not have motivation or desire to continue doing that tip or to continue pursuing those goals. You end up becoming a slave to yourself. Nobody wants to be a slave. So reward yourself. That will help you stick to these tips better than anything else. Okay, that's it for this video. Because this channel is a newer YouTube channel, I'm open to ideas. If you want to see a video of me reviewing a morning routine of my top 10 or even something totally different, like if I can break even par on 9 holes, let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy to create videos that you guys are interested in watching. Thank you.